Good morning, and welcome back to Flash Custom Designs. I want to say thank you if you are following in our journey. If you're new here, my name is Shelly, and we are opening up a retail store, and we are showing you our journey. I do have a business, Flash Custom Designs, where we make custom apparel. You can take a look at flashcustomdesigns.com. Our new FCD, Vinyl and Apparel, is our retail store. Today we are marking the wall for all the outlets that we want added, and also measuring how big I want my desk at the front. So let's go.
Oh, what day is it?
Oh, today is June 8th, day 6 of construction.
All right, let's go inside.
All right, let's go. So we're just, what?
Yeah, they got the glass in.
Where?
Oh, I thought that was glass. I'm sorry.
You got the glasses on?
Yeah.
So we're gonna write outlet.
I guess. Ask him what.
I don't know how to say that.
You want to Google it real quick?
Señor, ¿puedo pongo tape on the walls or no?
Sí.
Sí, puedo poner esto on the wall.
Sí, está bien.
Okay, para marcar otra salida.
Okay.
¿Está bien?
Ajá, está bien.
Okay, gracias. Uh-oh.
Oh, it's not working? Don't run on this. Oh.
Why?
You want to see if they got a pen?
Just, oh, there we go. This pin don't work on tape.
Oh, it's not working?
It don't work on tape.
Dang. Let's see if they go.
Oh, you hungry, babe?
Yeah. Dang.
How about we just mark it and then tell Foster?
Okay.
Where did we say one here?
Yeah, probably across from that one over there. That might make it like symmetry, or give it symmetry.
So like right here?
Yeah. Is that gonna stick?
No.
That tape might be not that good.
Oh, then why did you get that one?
This is all the tape that I had.
Oh. Okay. Can you hold this?
There we go. I had to
Did we
color
say
all
over there?
off. Then we say one over there.
Are we down on this wall?
Oh, one over there, kind of like by his toolbox if possible.
Like right here?
Yeah. Because then we're going to want one on there for some reason.
Oh, we got one here.
Yeah, we got two there. So just two on the other side.
Huh?
Just one on that side, one on that side.
Okay, well, what about on this side?
Oh, that's up to you. I don't know.
I don't remember what we talked about last night.
I don't remember saying any right here.
I think we need to do at least one right here.
Okay, so one right there.
I think that's fine there.
Oh, okay. So just like that. So more on that side than this side?
Huh?
Because you got one over there by his bucket, but you don't have one right here. See what I'm saying? You got one right there. Do you want to match it on this side?
Yeah, I guess we can. Like right here.
Yeah. So that. And then this is where you were going to do. I can point to it for. Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Oh, we wanted 6 in here.
Yep, you can do one right there.
1, 2.
Right there on that side. Yep, and then one over there on that side over there. Is Foster coming today? You want to ask him to see so we can meet him, maybe?
Okay, let me think how to say that. And like right here?
Yeah. And you can definitely send them pictures of each one and say,
We have that.
put it next to it just in case.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And this one was good.
Yeah. We were good in
We
here.
want to make
Got
sure
the
this
four-way.
one stays. I think we were good back here too, right?
Yeah, I don't think we're got one over
We
there.
want to make sure that's one.
Yeah.
Is that one right there?
It should be.
Just to make sure. Oop. And then back here was good. Here and here.
Oh, what? And you said there is one behind the wood?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
And then we have one right there.
Yeah. Yeah. And you know, we have to run extension cords or something. That's
Yeah, I think we have more than enough.
yeah.
But, oh, did we want one? Oh no, we're fine here. Right?
Oh, did you want one on this on the inside?
Should we get it? Yeah, might
Kind
as
of
well,
that.
right?
Yeah, 1 and 1. Yeah.
¿Es fácil? ¿Vas a venir aquí?
Ajá.
¿Al rato?
Sí, al rato.
Oh, okay. Okay, gracias.
Oh, around what time?
Huh?
What time does he come?
Oh, ¿para qué hora?
Como a la una.
Una. Okay. No one.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay,
Gracias.
perfect.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias.
Ajá.
Looks like.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you got to come back at 1.
Oh, we need to measure this.
Oh yeah, for your thing.
I want it pretty big, from probably our now.
Well, just count the squares.
Oh yeah, we did that last time, huh?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10.
9.
Oh, that was 9.
Yeah, so about 9 square feet.
Yeah. You want? I was gonna say to give it some symmetry. Just an idea. You could have it go 9 from here in. Then you're coming off of here. You're gonna come behind here. Is it gonna be open here or open there? Probably closed to be close to the door. So this way we can come in here, and then it's like it maybe ends right here. Or did you kind of want a few blocks?
Yeah,
in?
just to kind of be in the center.
Okay. Okay.
To
Okay.
kind of be like offset here, offset here.
Bet.
So between like this one and that one. So this is like the area that I'm thinking.
Okay.
This tile to.
That's the first one that we're putting in? Well, I guess
No,
we
it'd
can
be like right here. This would be like the first one.
I guess we can slide it, correct? Like, even though it's
Yeah.
built, we can get it in here and kind of slide it.
So I kind of want to have it. So I guess like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I guess we can do 10
Yeah.
square feet.
So
And then
2
we
in.
can go out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square feet. One. Yeah.
Okay, so that's cool. It's 2 in and 2 in.
So 5 is here. So about out this far.
Yeah, 2 in,
Yeah, just
and then
to give
coming
it a
in
little.
2 in from that angle.
So 10 long, 5 wide.
Yeah.
Let me write that down. Oh shit.
You know what's funny? Is that 1, 2,
10,
1, 2, 3,
1,
4,
5.
5, 6. So 4 more than that tape. That's cool.
10 square feet.
Guys, it's coming together really well. They're putting in the windows, as you guys can see. They're putting in the windows right there and right there. So it's coming along really well. We have no complaints. Now we just kind of got to get where she wants the
desk made.
the desk made. Yeah, see where she wants the desk made. So I got to look into the sign. I'm not really too worried about the sign. It's awesome. We have this fan above there. We're definitely gonna.
I think this is our door. It's gonna be going over there.
Oh, okay, bet.
Yeah.
Yep, so they're gonna kind of L-shape that over there. We already put all the tape for all the outlets that we want. I think if we ever want any additional lighting, that shouldn't be too crazy.
Yeah.
To put like really cool lighting in the ceiling. I don't think, you know, any electrician is gonna be able to handle that, so.
Yeah.
As we make some money, we're definitely gonna liven it up. The ceiling's gonna look really good. I think all the lights, just gonna really liven this place up, and you know, we can always add wall lights and LEDs, things that either are battery operated or something that we can just plug in, so.
Yeah.
We're just gonna try to make it look as best as possible.
Can't wait.
So I gotta go get my haircut, but I'm really hungry, so we're gonna go get some lunch, then she's gonna come back at 1, I'm gonna go get my haircut, she's gonna come back here, so yeah, the next video, I'll just leave the camera for you, and then whenever you come back, so. Let's go do our thumbnails with Poppy. No, yeah,
It's not bothering him.
no, I know, but we're still gonna go get our thumbnails. All right, so let's go get something to eat.